How to fix black screen on your laptop. Hey everyone, if you are facing black screen problem on your laptop, here are some of the quick fixes that you can do. So the very first thing you can try to do is plug in to your charger because your battery might have ran out. So it's a good idea to always plug in your laptop whenever you're facing such issues. Now, in most cases, once you plug in, it should turn on, but if you're still facing the issue and if you know that you've plenty of battery remaining but still facing the issue, then there is a keyboard shortcut that I'd like to show you guys. Let me just go ahead and pop up my on-screen keyboard. What you're going to do is press a combination of keys that is Control plus Shift. You're going to do this at the same time. Press Control, Shift, and then Windows keys all together with your three fingers. And with your other hand, you can press on this B option. What it does is it will completely refresh your graphic driver. So go ahead and press this like so. And as you can see here, the screen just blinked, and it means that your graphic driver has been updated and has been refreshed. So one more time, I'm just going to press Control, Shift, and then Windows. Now press B right here, and your graphic driver will reset. So this is another method that you can do. And the final one is to give it a hard reboot. So don't worry, it won't delete any data. Just press and hold to your power button for around 10 to 15 seconds, and it should start working and your screen should pop up. So these are some of the quick fixes that you can do on your laptop if you're facing black screen. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.